You get some companies that'll give you a 25-year workmanship warranty. When I started in this, what was pretty normal in construction in general, and solar is construction at the end of the day, what was pretty normal was 5, maybe a 7-year workmanship warranty. That was kind of standard in construction, generally speaking. And when I started this company, I think I had 5 years or 7 years on my workmanship warranty. And then some competitors in the area boosted theirs to 10 years. So to stay competitive, I had to do the same thing. I'm like, all right, let's go to 10 years. Now you've got companies that will give you a 25-year workmanship warranty. And to me, that is just completely disingenuous and absolute garbage. Because if you have a problem, whatever the problem is, whether it's a leaky roof or a panel comes loose or some sort of wiring issue, even 10 years, let alone 15, 20, 25 years from now, good luck getting the company to accept any responsibility for that. They're going to come up with every excuse to say, well, it's not their fault. The system was fine for 15 years. Why did it suddenly go bad? There's nothing to do with workmanship. So having a 25-year workmanship warranty on a contract, to me, is complete nonsense and disingenuous just to try and win your business with absolutely no intention of backing it up. So look for something that's real. If somebody has a workmanship or a labor warranty, anything like that, that's for an extended period, you want it to be with a third party. Like, it's not just the company that's selling you the deal, that's saying, hey, we're the best, we're going to give you this. They've got third-party validation from an insurance company or some other kind of provider that specializes just in maintaining warranties and that kind of thing. That's a different scenario, because even if the installer goes out of business, you've still got that third-party company. And if they're an insurance company, they've got to be federally insured and all sorts of things to be able to provide that kind of service and product. So that is a different scenario, and I would actually recommend finding a company that does use a third-party validation for their warranties and that kind of thing, because you've got that extra coverage. Companies get asked a lot, like, well, okay, you've got a warranty that covers me for this long. What if you go out of business? Well, great question. Businesses go out of business sometimes. We have third-party validation that's also federally insured to cover you in these kinds of instances. So that's a very good thing to consider as well.